Well, let's find all the eggs first, and then we can get more candy. Set it on the couch. Let's find some more. You got 2. We need 16. Oh, there's 3. There's candy in there too. Leave it on the couch. Let's find the rest.
Oh, it's like cake.
Yeah.
Mama, that's a crazy cake.
Yeah.
There's a more cake.
Well, let's see. Where else are some? Keep looking.
Oh.
There's 1. There's 4.
And more.
Oh, there's more in there.
There's more cake.
Okay. That's 4. Let's go see if we can find number 5. Where's some more? You keep looking. Well, there's a blue one.
That's
There you go.
2.
There's more. Okay, so that's number 5. Let's see if we can find more. There's another one. There's 6.
It's more cake.
Yeah.
There's more cake.
Yeah. That's number 6. We need to keep looking. There's more.
And more.
Yeah, good job.
A couple more purple.
You found another one. What color is that one?
Bad one.
That's blue. Oh, it's got purple candy inside. You're right. Wait. Uh-oh. Did it fall down? We'll get it later. So, I think that's 7. There's still some more. Let's keep looking. And there's more candy. Come on, let's keep looking. There's one.
This is a little one.
More candy again.
This is one more cake.
Yeah. Well, that makes 8. We're halfway done. Let's keep looking. Oh, let's wait until we find the rest first.
Oh.
We gotta find number 9 and 10.
Uh-oh, more.
There's 1. There's number 9.
More.
Yep, there's more. Let's keep looking.
There's more.
Yeah.
Some more.
Let's keep looking, sweetie.
I'm fine.
Yeah. I think there's 4 more. Wait, no, 6 more. What's in that one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's one you want, yeah. Let's keep looking. There's more. That's another. I think that lost count.
Some
11.
more of the blue.
Oh, that was the half here.
Uh-oh, what's more?
What color is that one?
It's a wash.
Yeah. Good job.
Help.
Need help?
Uh-huh.
Okay. The finger's getting tired. There you go. Jelly beans. And let's go put them on the couch.
And more.
Yep, that's number 12. We got 13, 14, 15, and 16 to go.
And more.
Yep, keep looking. Number 12, over there. There's one.
This pocket.
Yep, don't grab that yet. Not yet.
Nope, not yet.
We're gonna do
It's a
that.
bucket.
We gotta find the rest of the eggs first.
Oh.
Do you cook eggs?
Uh,
Yeah. Oh yeah, that's from Nana. That's another little basket. You can put the eggs in that. Come on.
okay.
Hey, Lily,
Huh?
do you cook eggs?
Uh-huh.
Well, where do you usually cook them?
What's this?
Oh yeah, that's trash though. Let's put that back.
Here.
Yeah. But look down by your toesies.
Huh?
Look down, turn around. There it is. You gonna put it in your basket? Put it in your basket. Lily.
Huh?
He's just too busy trying to open them. Put it in the basket.
Oh.
In your hand?
In your bag. The bag. Put it in the bag. There you go.
More.
Oh wait, you gotta pick up the eggs. Put them up on the couch. We still got to find 3 more.
Furnace and eggs.
Yeah, there's 3 more eggs. Wait, no, don't put them all away yet. There's still 3 more. You know what? We need to feed the fishies.
Some more.
Good job.
Some more, though.
Yeah, you're right. That's a yellow one. Ooh, that's a big one. Okay, we got 2 more.
Awesome.
In a little bit. We gotta find 2 more eggs, sweetie. 2 more. What do we do after you feed your fishy? Do you ride your horsey? Oh, well then go check out your horsey. There it is. Look at it.
More?
Yeah, there's 1 more. So after you're done riding your horsey, do you usually go and sit down at the table?
Okay.
Well, let's go sit down then.
More.
Here's the last
The
one.
green.
It's the green one. Yeah.
This one's elf.
Yeah, that's got a yellow candy in there. Yay! You found all the eggs.
Good girl.
Good job, Lily. Hey, Lily.
Yay.
Now you get your surprise. You found them all.
Guys.
Let's go take this to the table. Or to the couch. We can do this on the couch.
Couch.
Yeah. Look what's in there.
Oh.
Ooh.
Really cool.
No, that's not a toy. You can eat that. That's a chocolate bunny.
Awesome.
Yeah, you'll have some. What else is in there? Oh, that's chalk. You can use that on the blackboard and on the deck.
Oh.
Yeah, that came from Nana.
Sorry, banana.
Yeah, wait, come back. Not right now. It's raining outside right now, so you can't go outside right now.
Oh.
But you can do it on the blackboard. What else is in there? Those are bubbles.
Yeah, boo-boos.
Yeah, they came from Nana too.
Those are bananas.
Yeah. There you go. We'll open those in a minute. And what else is in there? Oh, all kinds of funny stuff.
This is soft.
Yeah, kind of soft. What else is in there, though, sweetie? There's one more thing in there. Oh, okay. Let me find it that way. Yeah, where is it? There's one more thing. Let me grab it. Okay, let's be careful. Let's show you. This came from in there too. Once you open it, see? Open it. There's candy inside.
Awesome.
Yeah, I know you want some.
I eat.
Go grab one. They're kind of like a jelly bean.
Bill.
On the table. Okay. Can you tell Nana thank you?
Thank you.
Look up here. Say thank you, Nana. Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say I love you.
I will.
Okay.
Swish.
Yeah. You want to say bye-bye to everybody really quick?
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.